All right, so what I've done is I'm going to do a video on how to use Screencastify to record your screen or record yourself. So the first thing that I have to do is I have to go to Screencastify, and it's going to ask you to add to Chrome. And you're going to click that, and you should see the Screencastify icon right up here. So once you get that icon, you're going to click it, and you can see it's going to ask you to sign in. In this case, I'm going to sign in with my personal account. You would use your Sonoma Schools account, but I have to actually go. I can't record the screen and then record actually setting it up. I have to use two separate browsers. Once you have your browser set up, you won't have to do that. All right, so step one, I'm going to give the permissions for the camera and the microphone, and also the drawing and animation or annotation tools. I'm going to allow it. All right, so once we're ready to go, again, we're going to click this here, and the extension is going to pop up. This will enable the webcam, just a browser tab or the desktop. If the browser tab is one of those things that will only cast what's in one browser, so you can't switch between tabs. So if you leave it on desktop and record, just make sure whatever you have open is going to be appropriate for the classroom. All right, I am going to do your entire screen, share it, and you can see you get this recording. You'll hear audible ticking, and what it's doing now is it's actually recording what I am doing and what I'm saying in here. When I'm done, I'm going to go up here and click stop, and it's going to open me up into the editing mode. Now, it doesn't offer a lot of editing features. All you can do is really trim the video. I'm going to skip the tour here. I'm going to title this Screencastify Week 1. And you can see once I go down here, there. So if I wanted to trim anything, I just move my start and my stop, and then I would save the trim. Now I am going to cancel this and mute it. Now, once I'm done with this, you have 5 minutes to do your video, and you can share it to Classroom. You can publish it to YouTube. You can also just send it as an email or download it, export as an MP4. If you download it, I would recommend downloading it and then dragging it into your Google Drive. Don't worry if it takes a little while to actually convert. So let's see what it says as I export this. Goes pretty quick, really. I don't have any editing capability, so we just kind of have to watch the paint dry. All right, download as an MP4. That's going to go into my downloads, and then I would drag that into my Google Drive, and I could post that to Classroom. I could do it right through here too. You're going to have to link it to your Classroom. I don't have a Classroom in my personal account, so you're not going to be able to do that.